Okay, so now we're going to make 5 indentations on a test block here, just to show you the report feature and the consistency of the equipment. So yeah, we'll run five measurements starting now.
To show the average and maximum right away on the screen. Then the fourth. Then next, we cover the face. Sorry.
Okay, it's a little shaky there, so we'll redo that last one.
Yeah.
There we go, and now we've made like 5 indentations, and here on the side you will see an average and so on, and now this information here will be transferred into the test report by the press of a button.
Here is...
This is all the readings taken, and you select the ones you need.
You can see 5 readings.
And here are the 5 readings of this test we just made. And yeah, the tolerance showing low is just because we have a setting for the tolerance that was slightly outside of what we were measuring.
Yeah, upper limit, lower limit. This block rating is lower than the limit, that's why they show below. We go to the general report, you can see the average, maximum, minimum. Then we can output for the Excel report and use right here.
And now we've just exported the results to an Excel file, and this Excel file is kind of pre-set up, so I'll give you all the readings and then some additional statistic information, and you can generate graphs and bar graphs and so on.
You can see the average diameter.
Yeah,
average, maximum, minimum reading right here.
Diameter is slightly bigger than what you will be using, but the lens that comes with the unit will cover the 3mm range as well, no problem.
That's right. Then we go to the insert. We can just highlight it, and they can generate the report. For example, the bar.
Yeah, this is just typical Excel work, so you can do whatever you want with the results. Once you have it in here, you can create bars, graphs, and yeah, just save your results. So that's the basic operation of the unit. It's very straightforward, and yeah, there's no problem at all really to think of. You just place the scope on the test part, hold it steady over the piece, press a button, and instantaneously you get the results. I hope you enjoy this demonstration of the Qualiscope 2 and that you decide to purchase this item. Okay, so one more thing, there are different light settings on this thing, so depending on how dark your test specimen is, you turn it on by pressing the button on the top, and then you have, this is the strongest light, and if you have a very shiny part, or that was a weak light, and then if you have a shiny part, you can turn down the intensity of the light, or you can change it back and forth. It's just a push of a button, and it guarantees that you get great results every time. The microscope allows you to change whatever settings you have. Let's see if we can show it up here in the video. So you can choose the settings, what type of test you've done, in order to get the right setting for the microscope. So anything from 62.5 up to 3000.
And diameter, indenter, can be, this is 10, so.
Yeah, the diameter for 3,000 kilograms is only available with the 10.
125, you can see that.
125, yeah. It automatically chooses the right indenter for your test method.
Here, 2.5.
And you can buy additional lenses to do very small indentations. It's not needed for your standard application. But if you do, then the camera lens down there says number 1 right now.
Yeah.
You change that to number 2 or 3 depending on the additional lens you order. Another thing is that this is the microscope itself. So it's very small, lightweight, easy to operate, sturdy. It hooks up to a digitizer through this protective cable here, you can see. And the digitizer box is right over here, and that is the box that hooks up to power and to your computer. So yeah, that's the whole system, and again, it's a very flexible system, and you can upgrade it later on with additional lenses should you need to test baby Brunel and so on. Alrighty.